Hello all. This is a tutorial on cleaning up a new installation of Windows XP. Before I start, I want to mention a couple of things. This is still relevant. Take a look at the latest market share. You can see Windows XP is still a popular operating system. Now, of course, things are going to change, and I can't predict the future, but obviously, there's still a lot of people running Windows XP, so I thought I would just make a couple of tutorials on getting the system into shape. Okay, with that out of the way, let's look at this new installation. There's no updates installed yet, and I'll click on the properties of the first hard drive, and we see it's 3.16 gigabytes, or nearly 4 actually, which isn't a lot nowadays, but it can get carried away if you don't keep an eye on it. So either select Start Menu, Properties, or Properties from the desktop. Either one will do. In System Properties, go to System Restore, and you can see that it's at the default maximum of 12%, which is quite a bit, especially for this virtual machine. So I'm going to lower it down for this system to 1%. You can try 2%, 3%, whatever. And then just click Apply. Give it a second to remove the old restore points, and then press OK when you're done. Now we'll just sort by name, Accessories, System Tools. So you want to go to Start, Accessories, System Tools, System Restore. Create a restore point, and then click Next, and give it a name such as Cleanup. So if anything goes wrong, at least you have some sort of backup. And then press Create, and then press Close, and you're done. Your system's backed up. Okay, after removing the old restore points, we'll check, and again, click on the properties of the root hard drive, and you can see that it's down to 2.63. It's nearly a gigabyte we've cleaned up. We'll go back to my computer, either from the desktop or the Start menu. Open C, expand folders, and then expand the Windows folder, and then expand System 32. Now what we're looking for we can't see. So we go to Control Panel, Folder Options, View, and go down to Hide Protected Operating System Files. Uncheck that, accept the warning, click Yes, click Apply, click OK, and then close Control Panel. Now if we scroll down to System 32 again, you see a blue highlighted folder called DLL Cache. You notice it says 475 megabytes of space used. I click on the properties, it's compressed down to 296, but compression isn't all that great since it can slow down some of your system files. I'm going to open the command prompt from Accessories. We're going to type in a couple of simple commands. These are built into Windows. I want to get my super duper magic magnifier. Hold on. There it is. Okay. Just type in SFC, which stands for System File Checker, a space, / purge, PURGE, cache, CACHE, and press enter. Now this can take a bit of time. You might hear your hard drive making some noises and stuff, but it's just deleting those files that we just saw in the DLL cache. We'll just give it a few seconds here. It takes a bit of time. There'll be a notification when it's done. There we go. Successfully made the requested change. Now we're going to set the size of this cache so it doesn't grow to something like 500 megabytes. So system file checker / this time type in cache size and then equal, the equal sign, equal 50 megabytes. You can change this to 100 if you think you'll have more installed. These are just for drivers. So anyway, we can see that it's made the changes as requested. Okay, let's do another quick check for system and how much space is being used, and we're at 2.14 gigabytes. And just to show you the DLL cache, again, system, Windows down to system 32, down to that blue folder, and you can see that it's empty, 0 bytes. Close that and get my magnifier again. Come on, there it is. Okay. Now we go to start, run, and type in %, the % sign, and the word temp, T-E-M-P, and then another %, then press OK. This will open your folder's temporary files. You can see right now it's only at 6 megabytes, but again, that can grow. So to keep it cleared out, you can simply select them all. I either select all from the edit menu or just drag them, and then just press delete. Bring up the confirmation and say yes, and you can see that it's empty. So close this down and close the magnifier. Let's make a shortcut. Oh, first we'll check the drive, sorry. And okay, we saved just a little bit there. Like I said, it wasn't very much, but it is lower. Okay, now let's right click on the desktop and select new, shortcut, and that same command, %temp %. Next, temp is fine for a folder, and click finish. Now I have quick access to keep an eye on it. As you can see, there's nothing in there right now because we just cleaned it out. Okay. Another thing you can do, built into Windows, is use System Tools, Disk Cleanup. We'll make a copy here for quick access. Open it up, or just double click it, or single click. Just give it a second, and you can select these options. Don't bother with compression. You can clean up all restore points. And when you're done, just press OK. But you can see there's not much here. There's only like 32 kilobytes it's going to clean out. Don't compress those files. You can select options and stuff, but leave that unchecked if you can. Now press OK, select yes, and let it do the job. Okay, so that's the end of part 1. I'll continue this in part 2. Thank you for watching.